Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. It's actually Sunday, and as promised, I will do the rest of the Sudokus in this puzzle page. Yes, today, in additional, not today, the day, yesterday, yes. In the newspaper of Saturday, yes, Saturday, January the 2nd, 2021, we have 4 Sudokus left. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars. The 3 stars is already solved, just like the 4 stars, but we have 1 tectonic left and a binary left. So total of 4 Sudokus, and I will start with this one. Sudoku with 1 star. Alright, let me position the camera. Alright. And this will be number 2103. Alright, 2103. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me check if this is also with 25 printed digits. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 2 is 15, 17, plus 5 is 22, plus 3 is equal to 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see there 1. No 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. Those numbers are the 7 and the 4 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's up here. Alright. Then. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in the row above, the middle row. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 5. We have the 6 and the 5 in the middle column. So no 6 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. The 6 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. That means the other 2 numbers are the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here pair, the other pair. That means the other 2 numbers in this middle column are the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 numbers. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and 9. Alright. 4, 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2. No 2 in those 3 boxes. There 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. That means We have a pair here, 6 and the 5, because the other pairs should be the 7 and the 4. 6 and the 5. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. One box left in this big square because those two boxes are the 7 and the 2, so this should be a 5. Alright. So the 3 missing numbers are in this big square. The 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 7 is missing. 1, 4, and 6. 1, 4, and 6. 1, 4, and 6. 1. No. The one we have here. 4, 7, and 6. 4, 7, and 6. 4, 7, and 6. I cannot do anything because I need more information. Alright. So we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, in the third column. 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only place for a 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 9. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 4, 5, and 8. Alright. And now, let me see. And now I see here a 5 in this row, a 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for a 5 should be there. Then a 5 in this column, a 5 in the third column, so the column between, the second column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for a 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5, alright. And then how about the number 2 numbers left in this column. Those numbers are the 4 and the 8. The 4 and the 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 should be here. And the 4 goes here. Alright. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. Then 3. Yeah. 3, 7, 6. Let me see. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing in this big square. We see there are 9, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7, we see there 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 3. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number is a 3. We see a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left now in the first column. Those numbers are the 6 and the 7 are missing. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 2 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 9. Alright. How about... How about, yeah, the 6 in the last column, the 6 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for a 6 should be there. And then 1 box left in this row for the number 2. And those 2 boxes are reserved in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7, I cannot fill this yet, need to mark them. That means we have a 7 in this, one of these 2 boxes in the middle row. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be a 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. So we have a 2 in the last column. A 2 in that column. So the column between. Only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2. No 2 there, here 2. No 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. Not used. 2 and a 9. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Alright. These 2 numbers are left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 numbers. How about, yes, 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8. Oh, no, I cannot fill the 8 there because we see here an 8. Alright, so this should be also a pair, 4 and a 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait 4, 3, and then 9. Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the row below the third row, the only two places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. And now for 3. 3. Yes. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the second row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing in the second row. Here cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 there, no 3 there. Here also a 3, so no 3 there. So the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 4. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. One number left in this big square for the number 4. 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here also a 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place for a 4 should be here. One number left in the second row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. It will be a 2-star Sudoku, so see you later. Bye-bye for now.